This is Homeriver Group. Today we're looking at 1386 Pinecrest Trl. One of the brand new 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath homes. As you walk in through the front door, you walk right into your living room, kitchen, and dining. Very nice open floor plan. This home comes with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, and a pantry right off of your kitchen. Right across from the stairs, you have your half bathroom. Door to the garage, as well as a ton of storage space. Bedrooms are located upstairs. And as you go up the stairs, you have an extra living space up here. If we go to your left, this is the master bedroom. And right off of here would be your master bath, walk-in shower, tub, double sinks. Again, lots and lots of storage. And a very big walk-in closet. Out this way, again we encounter that extra living space. To your left, nice full bathroom. And right across from the bathroom, we have your washer and dryer hookups. Have your second bedroom here. Your closet space as well. And your third bedroom right next to it. Again, this is 1386 Pinecrest Trl, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome, brand new, and this is Homeriver Group.